Na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Eyemo enoti, isano enoti, isano marakabire, enoti Eyemo. Spexels Opticians, Good Car Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Omurigireria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngeberenaine bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiotageto tumanye asubwango mono abonda isi reke nambeye asesemiao enoti isano na ibere inya isato isano nemu ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere Eyemo elioto akire n'abasaki baito baikasuri na kubeko roboti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana Amayia ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwa bekire simu yao ime enyagitari ya World Fit Health Center iye gutoka imejumbu chokisi nigikurwa bukorori bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals, tunabanyagitari tusomete enchira ya kawaida yo kurwalia marwaire tukuruka nga conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chisi nyagitari yeito ntutoko make sure nga tuapimiro murwire bya twakorera diagnosis
boyo mbugwato bokorera bunde buna general consultation okolengwa as a laboratory, nutrition services, nutritional assessment, weight management, sports nutrition, natural and organic eating, plant-based nutrition, no bondo bonke.
So na kitokero montaji obisi yeito to make sure nga twamwa device nutritionally nga kyakwirena nga kyagwitanga ko soko nyora marwe ito gutumia amaryoga kawaida aito gutera tukurwa na conventional medicine twatumia amaryogo akurwa sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids nandi twamonya gutumia amaryogo akurukunga herbal medicine notole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubugate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 and then tubugate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
World Fit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways.
Mwanchumu likilibono na kukwandira ndonzia soberetase marogoba yabono chinga kuchini kukuarigania semesa yamangana Amayia kumanyigati yari tuabireto kukuariganiria korwa semambia yari ngentambe goika chinse chigabono chiabono marogoba litukeliganiria Ijumaa tariki 30 Mutinyo 5 na limo omwaka bwekiri bubere na 23 na mange abereka okorekana ayo asiri bwango chikoko sansamuranira na gukomanya asenchira yobo ikerano nyirabono finance bill yabete korawa na kobekwese ino muri Wense William Samuel Ruto nigetera chaka gukora emirimo bene kubwatekana buna omokenya yo mubigore umwegerero manyekanite buna okiyo mutata nigo bonasenga kiyamaega abete ko ikaseke gambero na kwamereria ogoetigwa na boigo no kobekwese we finance bill na kibona ndaka kiagari tukoria rero ligoreria mabutari yabete likorigereri kwa gotena nchikora ligwa bene na ki amabutara comment agosokea andake litakorekana iga maisonsi ni gobono aligereti asomo Kenya uywe igoro mwegere okiyo mutata ni goli chikeritaraba asekerenga buna kina begeta sekigambero nkirategererwa na konachana kyanda kikirire bono lichiko de finance bill litarachaka gochaka gokora emero mobene nyaro numure ibwense ni gateruna chisimi bono ose smartphone ni gochiko chikorwa siringi chiri busano gochakoro mutinyo gatano na gatato ayo ngati yali to chikomanya anebo igo buno musacha omenseme ya Nyamira abetega kubwirwa na maraba nagokwa tubwatu gweterenseme mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News the Digital na bagenseme ya YouTube na bogo tubwatu buna Ndizi TV News. Saransa wono mwancho murigere kenko manya senchera yobo ikiranu holito kubwaterana nere goitera sumu na boimanyeryo ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta iritirana nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Emesa ya mangana majense mo yabono margoba itogo chaka Kurwase County ya Kisii aneme yo muchobo songa sekriya ba wakili na boyo haba igiribo manyabanto bakorokorbe kanago ikasobisi yo mu county commissioner nimeye county ya Kisii asoko nyara komochia obokori boyo mo mutenili asensemo yendemero ngase county ya Kisii omanyikato na Charles Ayenda kolenga na ba wakili ko saba igiriya buni ko bate abuna Charles Ayenda nigaroka nego tumekobisi ya senjere tabwenrete asoko bwaterana na maintenyi geteri konyara korianania abantu banda maremo asabono bagani getambo kerege tindi na kogania Charles Ayenda anyari wako isiko korwa ase ekerogekyo gosasobora ibugotenera amangana yendemero ase county ya Kisii nabo asogote makomekero mu county commissioner igobono batanyara kumwekera ase kwenda mu konju mu county commissioner Kilonzo abakago sangana borobo buno mulikito agotumanya senchira yobwikirano
Sikoye chia bisicho mo county commissioner Eyemo county ya Kisii.
Ayenda must go! Ayenda must go!
Hasaba wakiri Kurwase county yo banyara ko bakorobekana na kumugania omotenerwe chindemero Eyemo county ya Kisii. Charles Ayenda anyara ko bakwerusi obisi kubatakana bokoreri bwaye obobe.
Now our practitioners in Kisii county are having a problem accessing services at the Kisii Lands Registry. Since the new land registrar came in, we've been having issues to do with service delivery and even simple things like acquiring a search and a green card. It has become a challenge because of the procedures being put by this new land registrar. We've been trying to reach the land registrar. He's not answering to our summons. We organize meetings with him. He's not honoring the same. And that is why we decided to petition the land registrar to implement a list of demands on which we have put in this petition here.
We have had problems lodging documents in the registry as outlined in our petition. We have had problems accessing the land registrar. He told us there's a form you need to fill and you will be given an appointment. And we have also had a problem with most of these issues we realize here, also touching on our practices, that the land registrar is basically locking advocates out of these conveyance procedures. We don't have access to him. When you come to the registry, there must be a loophole, one way or another, where you will be returned back to your office.
Magaya ba wakiri abugo ikirana ase abisi yo mu county commissioner nigo mu county commissioner talinga service yae asebanyara ko bakomomera o mokonyoye Wilberforce Kilonzo uyonyara ko bategerra nabo igo kuira ebirero bya wakiri abo
are not being trickling down to the purpose of it. Now, the reason for us to stand here, Deputy County Commissioner, we cannot bury our heads in the sun. We have to be wise before, not after the event. We are not looking at a situation where we want regrets. We want Kisii County to continue soaring in success in matters of conveyancing, in matters of land, in matters of justice.
Aso kwe murungani kwabo nigo abawakiri babwataya yokwana
Months which we want zikuwe implemented immediately because service delivery is their core mandate, not to put challenges for the members of the public who are represented by advocates.
Bring this certified copy to this lands registry, you are being told no, go and bring the original. You see? And now this is something that has been certified by the Kenya Gazette as a true copy. What we are basically saying is there are necessary hurdles. It has been hard to work with the current regime. I think it's been around here for a month or two.
Magaya bakiri abo igokuru service yo county commissioner goikirana ase abisiae Charles Ayenda niganyara kobaga kobairaneria senjere tabwererati ase gobagendera kobako gechigwa na komugania nyara kobagwetigia emeremo gosanyara kobakorusiwa ase county ya Kisii
tike Ayenda oyo twabwate amalalamiko goraye igachire gasi uno mobisa bwa serikali igachire gasi ekere etaneti chinsanya chamambi na ekere ikiranire okoiranire kwaye nkwarenge muna birengerere byaba advocate eyuero monyene ari mu advocate ore obwate orikiri na Law Society of Kenya ogosaba goito nokomo na bari bakorire ayata igoikerani kuruchinse mo chinde chense ya Kenya ebagotugutugo cha Gusii bacha gusari
kuripotire gatasini kia Ndizi TV kuri county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Hamesi
Biyamono omurikito Josephat ya misa soroboti rwa senchire yobo ikirano gotigana yobono mwancho murigereria ni gobona abana inchi na wegona amenye kurwase wodi ya Bogisere gotoka meya Matieko ase county ya Kisii barokane kwe murungania igoro jomo community policing yo mokurwase nsemeyo oyibagote borokane gakobachanda samatuka mange kolengana amenye abuni gobate biruna omo community policing ni garokane kubwatira na amona gati y'abanyanyimbo amona abagambigate aso konyaro gosangirire chiba korwa saba ngiamarwa korwa senseme yo ya Bogisero ime ya Matieko niko chinga kicho MC Bogadio Vincent ya buga aberga koboria ababwatani akone kibuna omo community policing yo ngonganyara kurwa nseme limo lyoka na korwa ekeroge kyo kyobrae buno mulikito Mirded Momanyi agotomanya
okorobekana kwa murembe nigo kwenekiwa n'abamenyi b'ensemo ya Matieko imeye wadi ya Bogisero ebunge ya kitutu chache county ya Kisii asekelia buna abantu babere abo bagotebekana gokora egasiase community policing nigo babere bagochanda abamenyi nabo igo asege korekya bwangoiga nigo oyo mobo aselieta Paulo oyo manyakanete buna pasta ataka kolenta eburaburu gochase omo MC bwenseme yo Vincent abuga eikero alenge ase omusangerekano yomo ase bono omo MC bwenseme yo arugo chika gochase abantu abo gotigwa emeremo limo lyoka ase okubuna lichiko
lero onde se obisi mu asisa nchibu Matieko ase nanyoro yomo ase rieta Paulo okwero ke niki na mpasta oyo ndi naro gurunga poyo pande basumbuira abantu bane sana egasi bagokora tari maru bagusiri nekibesa bagusangirira nagokoba kuchimusojo pouring station abana injiranga inere mbacheti koigwa omumuro igo togendete barasa akagenda gatena sigarian goteba ngatebyo omuntu yo monyene garie ye ni mujinga sana ogonkwirana nkanyora naenda imugetirige nakoboko ninchaga nyitarungusha aina maskani kweli so asenge ncheigo na authorize abantu ababere mbaba ise gotuka ando zineni public office tingwanja koligeria abantu bane bakumia aya ekina akanira ontegete korwe warning aso muskari ore musocho okwero kanga nero mo deputy OCS osumbuira abantu bano gotara ne probox bwaki uniform na abasoroire muskari onde bwensi ogotoka ando nsi abe namaru ebe nebintu byo we bago chikori atoke kare ni uniform
abamenyi abo babwate oboro obonene nigo baganya abantu abukurusigwa emeremo asekelia buna nigo babere bakubachanda asegeka egetambe
uno muntu omonene ntwachora twansi tukamuka mambi tukamubukira tukachukumachora igoti ga gulisikani yaye na anda gwa masikani amanene igena taka bugoli wachi kwa kuna abantu twansi tororo basi matomo bwatere amo tumubwadesie atokorire eganga ya yonsi pia bwate
asenge nje tingwanje mugambi yona ngara
kare kesi ya tiro somo amna mwambe mwenye tete kwa sali poro mtawambia kesi kwa karama wangine
hawezi kuja kutusi mheshimiwa na kumvamia njiani mwenye amechaguliwa na watu zaidi ya 5,000 tutakubaliana na hiyo
egento kero
abantu abatwangire nande nko bakemea tore bagende kabisa mbago shindwa
asensemo yae omukonyi bw'omugambi bw'enseme yo James Mbati nigo abaenekeria abamenyingana chekuimukia egetambukero asebo igo asemia abamenyi bonsigo chegokora egasira abakonye na kwerusanania ase okorosia amarwa
amangana yo nko yashughulikira tore iserero on Friday by Monday tutakuwa tumeshughulikia hayo mambo imeisha. Na wakati kuna shida tuwe watulivu, tusitusiane, kila mtu apatiwe heshima yake, na hiyo shida itakosa kutatuliwa. Jambo ambalo ninawahimiza ni hili: kila mtu ajifunze kufanya kazi kwa mikono ya atetei wapikaji na uuzaji pombe. Mheshimiwa anasimama na ofisi yetu ili kuhakikisha Bogusero Ward imekuwa lai.
Ngoripota lya egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mono mulikito Mildred Mumanya soroboti rwa sentere yoboikirano kurumatieko goika nyatieko moncho muligonse mocha nyatieko omwemse bogodi yove amosio mweri ni gobono anyareka okwana igoro yoboibwaye anamaega yechikura gwakwa omwako eta mutinye gatano na gatatu lizukulia romaega yoko bwatoka chikadi echibono chirakonya sokonya rwakane school fees maega yogo soka weji basare negate abuna nagendrego somiana konyara kinya mangane chisemi anena se wodi yo yanyatie kochinga kichini ganyara kakobeka so bugasi ole buna maiga yo ikaseki gambero nigo buyibwa ye bwanchiru nagote abuna niga bwete chukura cyo mwako eta senchera yo bwasi ole maiga yo gochoro na menyi nabaguna bakchukura bange kurwa sensemejo ya nyatieko
twachaga igakwena na kibasari angemitini yarirange tatu twatebete abantu baito ba apply kibasari che county ne kibasari chi karo twachoro bugambi ncha kabairoro no karo mugambi gavana ngwaya rengoro achitaka tene kibasari batu mugambi to simbarati agachaga tebanga nerebu ya kibasari chirane so that chikonya abana baito bali school rero iga twacha to baletera chicheki so that bono bagende buna abana bakorera chi afterm bairane chi vocha chiri bachikororanga chicheki chabo chekire school musi yeto ne chigo chinchi nande karo kibasari chekaro twachena na unanyatiko yeito ntoba to upendeleo ende yonse abantu bali bangagirite chikura bali batanga kiriti bonse toba kibasari because ine right yabo nande nabekonyareka nga mbaro bataikerwa esenja maybe barwarete twasabanga nande kibasari chigo chikwena nu ekato chake financial yende ntobaye nando buya wonde mbulinga governor itomente basari ekuru 3 million asenyatiko bona ikire 5 million nagambe kiniko tebanga chikura chiri toligere iringa kyo mu magistrate agambete ororire ngama nabona agambete ngam ekina kirimbi yakerenge ngachikura mbuya twabwete
ndibuna abakaji banyatiego usaba akikura banyatiego ndore no mogoko
na gotigana yubono mwancho muligerego ikase county ya Nyamira togendere kumurekarali abereka gokorekane nke mukuru ase county ya Nyamira nigegendere to goichandre gero kogosira koyo mobo oyo gotebekana buna abetega kwanyokirwa neriro bachinga kyarenge kwerigeria ekerobona itweke barwa gyo kunyara gokunya enyomberia ya kebara asensemeyo ya Nyamira nigotebekana buna omusacho bemyaka 30 asirita ateyo obonyo nigombenentana makweri tukulegoro maiga yoko tema gokunya enyumba ya kebara mbarabare na se nyumba ndi yarenge lebono konyora ya renge gotumeka konyora ya ichoire asensemeyo naboni goliro bali abatiri kwanyekana komutuba asekolende obobui bw'abantu gotema komokonya nabo igo ne ensemeliye musaramu bari go Red Cross batemete komutoria kolende mbanyarete asabete ka gusiri o mabwaye mubiro onyagosira uyibona utigire maiga abana batatu nabo igo no omutakanwa ni gobono gachire asenkendo ya Wombonga.
Kie mchango umeanguka kwa simu. Hakika nilikuwa na huzuni hata nilishindwa la kufanya. Na nilisikia wenzake ambao walikuwa na jumla yeye pamoja walitoroka. Na nilisikia huu mchango ulianguka kama saa 4. Akisaidika wangekimbia ama wapige nduru angalau saa angekuwa hai.
Tulitoa mwili ukachukuliwa kwa Kinara mortuary, na inangojewa wenyewe ndio waweze kuamua kama postmortem iweze kufanywa, ndio hatua iweze kuchukuliwa.
Na nigo tugotome boigo gochia senke juma ga jogo tiga maiga bana batatu na boigo bono no motakanwa kirayo agendere to monchu mulgireria na ria baka kolekana isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii Wense William Samuel Ruto ni garabe no moyego monene oyubono bwatirania abakori be serikali asensemeria Nairobi ase nyumba ya KCC asiritukoria Ruto gukona kurwa senseme chinga kichoko bwatoka bwana chinchira chekero cyokuru bokore gocha saba Kenya nigo Wense ate abuna na chigosokia irambe yemira tume ke ase serikali eliko nyara gwakana kende gyonsra wono bokorre bonde Wense anensemerio gwakane nengo gosechibesa asatebire enamba ejo era chikoba ibere maragatano na limo eyibona atebire buna era chikonyara gokonya asokonyara gosangirano nebango nabo gwakana kende gyonsi ngaikerengete asensemeria serikali Ruto nigatebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebegetemero belikone kibuna besanchiyo chigo chikore wakoboko asekoboko engakyomo Kenya Wense yagochikogania obokonyi bonde Wense nagotebuna chibaza chonsi ni gochira chikotumwa sinambe ya mogose babila ejibona egochikobwato kwa serikali nyare gokora emeremo Ruto boigo ni government ragote abuna ase yaikire ense ya Kenya ni gerigeto chokore emeremo yonsi goetera senchera yekerero gose digitali.
In the next 30 days no government service should be paid in cash. Let me repeat it again for the avoidance of doubt. No government service will be paid for in cash in the next 30 days. And I want to say this because corruption has been our biggest problem, pilferage, theft. Citizens are forced to pay for a service or bribe for a service that ordinarily is theirs as of right. There will be only one channel to pay for government service. We have agreed, all state departments, KRA and everybody, the government pay bill is 22222. 22222. Is it star 22222 hash? That is how you pay for government service. All the other pay bills, in the next 30 days, they should be shut.
Wense boigo ni government rebuna asenchera yokonyara gokinyo boerani asenchera yekerero igate birebuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza kobwatana ne company riyo boerani ya Safaricom ni goba chirasobwamo na gote yabuna gochakro mutinyo gatano gatato ni gochisimi chekero chitachi chimagante buna chi smartphone chirachiko wali goli ri abakenya bonse banyara gochitumeka kobwatekana nera nyara gokonya ukwanguje no bokorre bwe serikali Ruto ni gate birebone simi engiya eyubono irachiko bwatana na company riyo boerani Safaricom ni gera chikoni wasiringi chiri busano uchakiro mutinyo gatano na gatatu asaba igabori chikambani chinde chiri chikaro chisimi kwanekana ngobwatira nabale elikunyara kurobo kori bworora anasogo tumenchira yekerero ugochia ase abakenya nabo koyiria amagori yechisimi.
And while I am there, we also agreed with Safaricom and our other telcos that next month, that is August, as I committed to the people of Kenya, smartphones are way beyond 9,000, 10,000, 15,000 going in that direction. We want to make it possible to have a smartphone that is 4G enabled for Kenyans at 5,000 shillings. I am very happy to report that those who are involved in that exercise have promised me that by August this year, we will have a gadget, a smartphone, that you can buy for 5,000 shillings. And I want to thank Safaricom. They have told us that we can buy that phone and pay on a program called Kulipa Mdogo Mdogo. You can pay 500 shillings, they give you the phone, and every day you pay 20 bob in your M-Pesa. and you will own the phone further down the road. I hope other telcos come on board so that we can make it possible for Kenyans to have the gadgets that will enable them transact with government and do all their other businesses online, so that we can make meaning of all the infrastructure we are putting in place for digital connectivity.
Ekerayu boiga genrete murai wense William Samoei Ruto boigo nigate una bakore mirimo be serikali bono bachikomento engeri yabo gosomosharo kirumutenyi ase bono bagochikomento gochakere karango geisano na ibere goika ekarango yekomi asemia 7% goika 10% ase bali bakore mirimo ase serikali Ruto na boni gate bere buna chibese ndio chikomento asa bakore mirimo bonse korende bali bara bakore mirimo be serikali bakonyara chibese chance na uboka bagochikomento chibese cho.
Told SRC there is an internationally accepted, it's called compression formula. Until they come back to me to tell me we meet that threshold, hii salaries yetu itangojea. Until we are all living the same. I have also instructed SRC that there are parastatals, there are universities where the vice chancellors and the MDs earn more than even the president. I want to know what those people, what they do. No, I mean honestly. It is not possible that we have huko watu wanajiongezea mshahara kiholela. And because I've tried to interrogate some of the places where I am told somebody is earning 2 million. And I've said, how did they end up earning 2 million? Oh, the vice chancellor was a friend of the chairman of the council. Or they were sijui, I don't know what. Hapana. Public money is public.
Utoboigoni gamentana gote abunanda ke bali bakonyora chibesa goetania kerengo niko baganie kumbekergie kubotoke mishara kemanyekete buna SRC kone kengome kwali getambukira na gokorobu tuke anagochia ase chinse mochiri cha serikali gose chi parastato enchira bagotumeka chibesa na komenta abantu asenchire tabwenrete ase boiganya rega kuboli kyombe kwanyara kubwatira na sobo ime konyara gokorobu tuke na boigwa bakuri chibesa goetania kerengo bane kina chibesa chinkonyara chire koirani gwa goike ekerengo gyanse Ruto ni gata biro komento mishara gochia sagati ya bakore mirimo ni gokorenge tukocharo goikera libaga eregati ya bali bakonyoro koigoro na bali baroko bale bokonyoro gwanse asate rubuna igo bwente ko basekerenge kemo aso wakano chibesa kurwa sensemeria ya serikali.
Public money is public money, and SRC must assess. Everybody must be paid in accordance with the work they do. No more, no less. Sini namna hiyo jameni? Yes. Because this is public money we are spending. So I have told SRC to do two things. Number one, to tell us the ratio between the lowest paid and the salary I earn as president. Before my salary is, before they talk about increasing salary, sisi wadosi hapa, we want to know how much money are the people below us and working for the same people of Kenya are earning. That's number one. Number two, we must rationalize. There is no way people can be increasing salaries ostensibly because at their parastatal has a lot of money. So that a lot of money is used kuongeza mishahara ya watu kiholela. That one is not happening because those parastatals are government agencies and the money they have is public resources. They must be subject to SRC, and we must make sure that we all pay the same. So nimemwambia Rigiji, my friend, na mimi hiyo mshahara watu wanasema hakuna for now, na hata nyinyi waziri tulizeni boli until some exercise, because we want to make sure that we do not take advantage of the other Kenyans who do not have the power we have. It has to be rational, it has to be well thought out, and I have told SRC to do exactly that.
na gotigana na yomurebe kyamaga ODM murera morodinga litukoria nigekera na se county area omabiasari gane no governor we county Gladys Wanga asanyara kwigura bene egetigyo kogoseria kemanyikito na Raila Stadium ekegurwa se county omabaya bwatani abanga niko baikera na asoma yigabo litukoria lero asabage gosori yabage kogosori gwa asense meyo igana bamangana lenga sokugoro kwegetikyo lituko lya lero.
Haya.
na gotigana na yubono ni go asiri tukuri roboti bene ruaba roko rwegwa igoro yoko ba weserikari chechi county maiga yoko nyara kubuna na korosi serikali chechi county gose devolution government asiri tukuri lero munyakiro wa governor Anwa Guru gokwa na kurose county Nairobi asoma gomo ne banyara bago twara ni gate birebuna okuba weserikali chechi county ni go wakiniria magendro ni go chingete birebuna ense moyobo chanunga dise mochiri chiabere chiko kina mono aseka kemeka ikomiya etire maiga yoko ba weserikali Chichi County na bensemo yobolemi amuno chinsemo chinde ngati chisemo chabire chiko konyeka mono asogo cha weserikali Chichi County.
Yes, county governments have received a total of 2.9 trillion Kenya shillings of equitable share. County governments have invested in, amongst others, animal vaccination, purchase of breeding stock to enhance livestock rearing, and construction and rehabilitation of cattle deeps. In order to boost access to health services at the lowest level, county governments have recruited approximately 107,839 community health promoters.
I wish to commit to increasing efforts and engaging the relevant stakeholders to realize increasing resource allocation to county government. There is a need for a conversation around pending bills, the ballooning wage bill, and other challenges that may constrain resources for service delivery.
Inspector General Bobanya Nyimbo Jafeti Komeri tukuleni ga koletaro ekensemo ya Lamu na gotalera echinsemo ane binyorime likonyara gusangana amenyi bensemi yukunyara komanyibuna ni gwabekire obolindi obotinde obono bwabore abantu bensemi yugo tabono bobonde bwensi asensemi yo ya Lamu komi kokwana korensemi ni gate abuna ni gabanya Nyimbo babere bakubwatira n'echinsemo chinde erikone kibunango tingi barobolindi asensemi ya Lamu ani gago chamotoka makema yobosaga ni wakolekana senseme yo obono bwireta abantu batano konyara gosagano na gusiruguma bwabo gati yabo no moro kiwoyomo igate biruna mbagendere kubwata na kubuli abantu gotaso yo bwoba asenseme yo kubwata kana buna batingiri obolende.
Kuna mikakati tumeweka mzuri sana, na mimi nawahakikishia yale yalifanyika wadhubutu tena, watakiona cha mtemakuni. Hakuna mchezo. Hakikisho kutoka kwangu kama Inspector General wenu, hakuna yeyote atakufurusha kwako.
Sisi tuko hapa na inabidi tuungane pamoja tupate huyo mhalifu. Hata saizi vile umesema tu wako hapa, unajua bengine ni mtoto yako, bengine ni bwana yako, lakini hakuna mtu anajitokeza aseme ndio huyu.
Na umurandi Paul Mackenzie ojibono bera kubwatira nigwa andake nekine igoro yengana ya chakahola litukolera nikekeregwa aseke gambero asenseme ya Malindi elikonyara kwa iraso bwagale igoro yokubatoka chibiche stabwendreti anana senseme ya mtandao kolengane kombekerigete netamangane ye chibiche kemanyikente na video film classification igono wamochina kote yabuna niga betega kubwatoka chibiche stabwendreti asumwaka bwechiri bubere na 10 ndo mutinyokane asabetega kobe kubyara niga mochigo buna chibiche chi iko chiare kurobo semya butabwendreti anagocha saboro kigwa asensemo yeskuru hanegote bwatira na mangana ya masomo kolengano mona chebi nabo igoni go bate abuna Mackenzie ni gobona amochigwe kerage maiga yoga ikabosio bweke gambiro nyirabono ni gabete gako gambigwa ikinekia somwa ko ibwe chiri bubere na kendo mutinyokane Nyamira ase bono abete kago kana momochayo na kabako igulirwa aso gwakane bond ye shilingi chiribu chimisano amatuka maka etire maiga yokobwateranirwa na momochande anase abantu abo bari chimisato emerongo 35 338 otoka batinde kiransemeria chakahola hase nsemeria ya Kilifi amuchaine gabwa kumubwaterania era mona bwatani bande gati yaye no murugyoye obono bagendrete gutangwa kubwatekane kurikyo giakorekanete asensemeria ya Shakahola. Wanchumuri dekane merongeta chapto kirense Eyemo ya bono margobanga nchere nyora mache ekero bonongo kwero ikasense mende studio ya cover studio bia to chikomena captain number 001 Ndemo Steven elia to mainali ya gende to kolekana ane kurwa sense media ye chigosori nyira to kondo mutumokomoke eli bono Ndemo Steven atumanyia mange kurwa sense media chigosori to sukan kwira nanda sege keke kerebosio.
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwaho ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio bwekere abarigereria kuruchi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire Eyemo elio to bwekere ugose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe.
Chinga kichingi agenda gotengereta soni kia Ndizi TV na meyo kwemanya manga arengete siasa arengete uchumi arengeta magendero tiabono kwariga bena samangana magia yechigo soli bona botambe return Ndemo Steven captain 001 tocha kama na magia yechigo soli korwa ligi ya National Super League NSL eligi rangi no kwera bwase wiki ya sobuka takatifu aye nige timu ya Gusii FC yana kubaye kwariga timu ya daraja ni Gogo FC asegeti kia Gusii Stadium na ase gosole nige timu ya Gusii FC nyodobo bwibwego ure ya masebosa obwa konye timu ya Gusii FC goikera boniga kobaga techi timu chintangani sano ime ligi ya NSL. Ntunde ya gatatu ya timu ya Gusii FC kurunyara kobagia kobase ligi ya National Super League NSL asa watani kurote mwibaire bune timu ye yatwarire mechande menge ase ntunde sabatere buna ase ntunde ekerenga kiabo no kuraga techi timu chintangani sano ime ligi ya National Super League. Kasim Junior no moroke mwanevu timu ya Gusii FC.
Majina naitwa Kasim Junior, mimi ndio coach wa Gusii FC. Mechi leo imekuwa mechi safi sana. Kwetu imekuwa mechi ngumu manake tulikuwa tunataka turudi back to number 5. Kidogo ligi ilitutoka 2 weeks ago kidogo, sasa hivi tunang'ang'ania tumalize in a better position top 5. So tunang'ang'ana manake opponents wetu pia walikuwa wanang'ang'ania the same position au walikuwa number 5. So tunataka turudi back kwa hiyo position number 5 ndio tuangalie last 2 matches vile tutazicheza ili tu maintain hiyo position. Tumekuwa na changamoto mingi sana. Mengine mnajua kidogo ilitoka kidogo to lose concentration after a lot of issues tulikuwa nazo, but tumerudi back, tuliangalia our mistakes and naweza sema tunaomba msamaha sana mashabiki wetu, wale expect mengi kutoka kwetu ikatutoka. So I believe next season itakuwa better kushinda hii season. Yeah, unajua football ni learning process. Each and every day tuna learn, tuna realize mistakes zetu, tunaangalia tulifanya poa. So sisi kama Gusii FC tutaka chini ligi kiisha, tuangalie mikakati vile tunaweza cheza ligi msimu ujao vizuri kushinda vile tumecheza this season. Tuko na MCF away weekend, tunaenda kule Machakos. Then ya mwisho tuko na Murang'a pia home, ni mechi ya mwisho. So hizi mechi za mwisho mbili tumejipanga sana, ni must win kwetu, and vile nimesema tunatarajia tumalize ligi namba 5. So tumejipanga sana kwa hizi mechi mbili, lazima tuzishinde.
Timu ya Daraja Nigogo FC korwa Nyamira County ya Nairobi asentunde ya National Super League nigo yarenge gukura gatichi timu cintanganisa to ime league ya National Super League kurende tirigo chikonyarikana Ensa league kireboninga na kongo bakora se timu cintanganisa to ko league ngo chikoberege kora swatebire bono mbabe ko moki kone kibuna kere ntongi kirane erinda asentunde ya league ya National Super League mbali kia machibwa Amayia.
Kwa majina ni Kale Baringa. Mechi leo imekuwa kama ya kawaida. Timu moja na slow game, nyingine inajaribu kucheza. But it's fine, congratulations to them, wamewin. So tutakutana nao next time. Tuko the same league, so tutapambana na hali. Once tulisha miss coup, maliza top 3 na top 2. We are too kwa vita anymore. We are just enjoying ourselves and finishing the game. So one more game to go. We play our best to enjoy football. We are building up for next season. So, yes, new signing, more mature people, more experienced. Ilikuwa experience yetu mzuri kuja mali kama hapa. So tutajaribu, so tunajua watalala chini, tunajua vinarudi. So we know how to handle situation kama hizi. So next season maybe itakuwa better. But it's sad for Kenyan football kama away from Nairobi, this is the incident watu wana consider, wanapatana nayo. Poor refereeing, poor pitch of play, poor team to play against. They are not playing football, wanalala tu chini, they are just standing there. So wanna stop moment. It's sad, but we are hoping for the better. Maybe after these 2 years the ban, tutakuwa na a better thing to build up kwa mbele. So
Ekiombe gukora uteneri bwenko imense ya Kenya Football Kenya Federation nigo yasabiru kwa kibuna asentundere bosio wechi league ya National Super League league ya FKF Premier League atechi league chinde chitanire nekiombe kugia FKF ekiombe kongwana kikerebuna bali barabe bakuvugie sirimbe ase chigosori banyare kwa babwato bumanyi bwa igoro na bwatani kurwe ekiombe ya FKF kwa basegeti kwa kibuna uteneri bwenko yo ngoikira na bole.
What I would appreciate kwa federation ifanye ni waache kuachia mareferee na matchcom the game only. So that is a refereeing department, department ya sheria. Let an official wa FKF be on the matches, okay? And then maybe we hope to get a sponsorship, tupate TV rights so that every game could be televised. So hizi ukatuni zinafanyika hazitafanyika. I think people will play football fairly and win fairly. Hii inakuwa difficult. The game is not developing. At the end of the day, football is not winning, but to hooliganism na tricks was gonna win at the end of the day. So you spend a lot of money on a make trip kama hii, you deserve to enjoy football, to at least play na ufungwe tactically because this is what happened. But unafungwa na craziness na a lot of bad refereeing, a lot of negativity, so it's not a good trip kwa sisi, especially kukuja huku west. It hasn't been good for us.
Katia mangana ngite chigosori korwa soro ngorwa Gusii nego etimbe ichuni combined FC maiga jogo tanga na sero mbare engea se league ya FKF Division 2 litkoriankyo mbatu wale chigosori chechi playoff che league ya FKF Division 2 aso yorabwe gaite timu inye chiravense meria Moi Stadium Kisumu aso yorabwe ase timu echu chonse sebara gosori wetere nchira ya knockout nanyare cover gagoso ase league ya FKF Division 1 abwase gosori echuni combined FC rabegati yabo amo ne timu iria manyakaine buna Baraka Roses korwa sense meria Nyandarua uyo rabwe na chikwenda ase final litukeria irudia mambi asense meria Moi Stadium Kisumu uyo rabwe final yeyo erora chikoba gagosoa ase league ya FKF Division 1 ase ntundere bosi ase buna Ndizi TV tukoganeria maye timu korwa sorongo rwa Gusii na ere timu yo korongo rwa Gusii rabasa chi play off yeyo mekaine buna ichuni combined FC tukonyaganeri Amayia buna Ndizi TV ase playoff chiraba sirit koriankyo nyirabuna rit koria Jumapili timu ya Shabana FC nicho torobo gosori gati yabo ne timu ere namba ibere me League ya National Super League timu ya Murang'a Seal ase geti gienka timu ya Murang'a Seal St Sebastian ase abange basabirwa nyara wikana ase gosori eyu koranda kena ke League ya National Super League era ase gosori eyu Shabana eise ko bwe gosori eyu gosenyore point ya mugwetera kwenda edra ase gosori kwenda makali nigo barabe abanyankongo be League ya National Super League ase ntunde yo mwaka bwechire bwibere na 23 kurenda sebiro bire bitegerete bike korwa iga ase message gosori omugano rero ntwabato mugako yomo bali mweta sebinyiro batajete kwende kanisa muba maite pono mako yori ukelimo akaendese kanisa mwete abasubati ngosegeta bali sana bagaka babo baende kanisa akagende kanisa lideika se kanisa mwako yakeba kulimye simi yaye noroche keroro mwagindutera naramamba amangana ye kanisa mono talimete simi yaye ori njiri ebwatete ense abantu bakonyore nyota ase kanisa engakieyu esimi yaye kavuga Wana abantu abange kanisa bakacha kumwere ne riso libe kimwako yesimi yaye kobugere kanisa kagendrete kiro umuntu uyo kumureri guchega mwako yagasoka sana akalimye simi kere kanisa yaera kiba kwanda kana no murugi oye ndi yakamutya nkiona kiri gwakora kwanda letero bosoku sana nakibona yanyare kana iga kiro umuntu akumureri ne riso libe mwako libono akakwase katanda kanisa wiki yabwateti akaende sebinywe gubikondi gumu maite chibanjira sebinyoro akagenda aseba Tenda seba ndega kuchikonyo igamaru echubeka ruko rwa soko boko igakira nse igateka amaru agaiteka gochia iga nanda bono mwako yakobwa nakanyobna koritwe kanisa kera akorite gento kirikyo bosoku na igana no bosoku bonda kamiami tarenki yakorekana onde ria miameti abantu bagacha bali barenge mari ati bo mwaka nko umia echuba yako nacha yaya amaru ali anyarita kabaga goiteka inse bali bagosibia se ensemeyo bagasibibuya umongno tenerete ase ensemeyo yebinywe kwa kamutebe poro mugake se yaiteka tari gwanja kwa opole sana tiangu gorire ngao singenche yao yanyade ko bake gwateka pole sana kiro mundu ngorare limocho makoriri arora iga koruri tukerio akaba kwenda seba elikirengaki timete magano rero nkyo wasomi kolende kile okoro muntu ria akoreri mocho avuge konyara koruo basemi uso muntu unanyare ukubwatia manganao anyare goche kaniseyo anyare gocha se biasara biao bunora amukwanire bunora amukorere abande bateba attitude nerere koruo okona chago ose umuntu anyare kubwatana naye na kunyara kogokonya sekelio gokora ose sekeli ubonchori bolio gokora mancho moligereri noro mugano rera sevoniga ukoirani asense meria studio A ase Vincent Onyancha ratebina rira tigaritiko rwa semesa ya mangana Amayia aitora sanke boikirano gekoraga chinsa isato
Ndemo Steven otomanyiria mange na roche gentari kigweta na se mitandao ke gotebana kwikira boniga ntoranyara murebi onde bwensi obeteka gotoka nsemeri ya shakaola tali mangana mwanchumurikire bono bya mona sogo chara gotengera Ndizi TV asinginchebiro ne chinsanga nchire nyakiro musumari gabo mangana majya senchira ajobo ikirano ngachikora gaisa to buna botambe ntoche gato kumanya mange buna botambe ngana ngende tagosege tumurikire ne libuna liga saria bande ndigera orie embusoro ya otomera ne isa turuza kubatrana rwetera sumono bimanyire Joshua ekero kare Petro ne mukira ane kichibi cha munire cha wikira senchira yobo ikirano ni master Dr. Vincent Onyancha.